Oh yeah, it's been a while, but we've got some decent weather predicted over the next few days, so it's time to fire up the barbecue and try something new. This one is a Ghanaian Nigerian dish, and it's called beef suya, and you do them on the skewers. It's 2 parts to the marination process, so I'll go through them, but I've got to write them down because there's quite a few. For the actual marinade, that you can leave it marinating overnight if possible, but a couple of hours is fine. And that's got obviously a sirloin steak. It's got ginger and garlic grated. It's got this little beauty. It's called Maggi Liquid Seasoning. I think that's how it's pronounced. And it's also got some vegetable oil and a spice mix. And I'll detail the spice mix a little bit further down. But without quoting all the quantities, it's got in here, and I'll read them off. Roasted peanuts, paprika, mild chilli powder, garlic salt, onion powder, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, cracked black pepper, salt, and ground allspice. What I've got at the moment is I've got the beef marinating in a bowl. I'll leave that in there for a few hours, and then I'll come back and we'll skewer it up and put it on the barbecue. Be back shortly. Cheers. Right, this has been a marinade now for about 3.5 to 4 hours. Just going to make up one of the kebabs along with some peppers, and then we'll do the rest, and then we'll stick it on the barbecue and see how we get on. So we'll put a yellow one on first of all. Then we go with a nice piece of this marinated beef. Stick a red pepper on. So on and so forth until they're all done. Won't show you the lot, it get pretty boring otherwise. But I'll show you when it's all done, and then we'll stick it on a barbecue and see how long it takes. It's the first, who knows. Cheers. Okay, the skewers have all been made up. We've made up 4 large ones, as you can see. I'll put these back in the fridge for a little while, let it carry on with the marinating, probably for about another 3 hours. Then we get the barbie fired up and see how long they take to cook. As I say, it's the first time we're doing this one, so who knows. Be back soon. Okay, so it's all done. We've got 4 different portions here now. We've got one with a lovely herby mayonnaise. We've got one with a mint and yoghurt sauce on it. We've got one with ordinary mayonnaise and salad. And we've got another straightforward one. We'll serve these up and we'll see what people think.